Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, I've got some good Bolo items for you guys to be on the lookout for when you're out there sourcing. I'm going to tell you where I got it, what I paid for it, and what it sold for. And some of these are unexpected and some of them are big money, but all of them I made a profit on. So the first item here is this Geneva vintage hand brooch. And what is fantastic about this is just how cool it is. It's a watch and it's a brooch. And I picked this up in a bulk lot and I sold this for a best offer of $48 and it sold very quickly. The next item is this Salt Lake City 2002. It is a pin. And again, I bought this in a bulk lot and I sold this for a best offer of $18. This is embroidery floss. And what I did, I got all of this, I believe it was at an estate, and I think it was just thrown in for all one price. So I have pennies in this. And what I do, or what I did for this situation, was I had so much of it in all the same colors that I parted them out into 12s and I did a multi-quantity listing. I have already sold 23 of these and I have 2 left. This one I took a best offer, or actually it sold for $9.94. So if you take $10 times 23, that's pretty good money for some embroidery floss that I had pennies in. So definitely keep that in mind. Instead of selling it all in bulk, you can part it out into smaller lots. This one is a vintage clear rhinestone brooch, and this is a B. David. And I've seen like the crown that's B. David. I have never seen the heart. I could not find any comps on this one. So this one was definitely unexpected. I priced it high and it sold for $135. This one here, guys, Betsy Johnson. If you don't know, some of her older stuff, it's harder to find and people will pay up for it. This one is the Puffy Heart Lucite Flower Butterfly Necklace. And HTF stands for hard to find. And I sold this for $160. This one was really a cool one also. I ended up taking a best offer of $39 on it, but not too shabby. And it is a vintage Berchtesgaden. I don't know. I think that might be somewhere in Germany. And it's shaped like a reef and you got like the pick and the boot and it's just a cool brooch. But I took a best offer of $39 and probably had $1 or less than that. This one is an Arlene mug. I got these a long time ago at at the Goodwill bins. And it was one of those things where I knew I would make more money by parting them out. I had a whole bunch of mugs and I'm like, nobody's going to want a bunch of mugs with people's names on them. I'm going to have to sell these individually. And some of the names are a little bit harder to find, which makes them harder to sell or easier to sell. Either way, I mean, you can look at it both ways. Not a lot of people named Arlene, so probably not a lot of people looking for a mug. But if there is an Arlene looking for a mug, I'm probably the only person that's going to have it. Sold it for $8.92. Lane Bryant skirt. Picked this up at I believe it was Discount Fashion Warehouse, and I bought a whole bunch of Express, Lane Bryant, different brands. Bought them like 10 years ago, guys. 10 years ago, they have been sitting because I kind of quit clothes. And I have someone listing these for me now. And they're getting them listed and they're selling. The Express jeans are doing amazing. But I ended up taking a best offer of $35 on this skirt. And I think I have some more listed in my eBay store. A lot of duplicates. Vintage horse rate chain slide charm bracelet. And I'm pretty sure I offered this up during my Whatnot show, either for $5 or $10. And I believe it did not sell. Either that or it was left in the pile and I didn't get to it. I can't remember, but I know that it was in a pile. And I took a best offer of $45 on this. And this was another one that I could not find any comps on it. This is a rare in Italian St. Christopher, Jesus, Mary, Joseph cross Catholic pendant. So I think I Google lensed it and found out that this was Italian. So I priced it high. And I ended up taking a best offer of $48 on that. And it also sold pretty quick. These are the Melissa McCarthy. Also, when I bought the Lane Bryant skirts, I also got some Melissa McCarthy, which is a nice plus size brand. Had original tags on it. Have about $5 in these. Sold them for a best offer of $48. This is a Crown Trifari Christmas tree. It is just a brushed gold tone brooch. There's no rhinestones, nothing fancy on it. And it sold for a best offer of $40. And that one my husband picked up for me. This is a Beatrix Potter Lady Mouse by Eden. It's just a little one and about 11 inches. So I guess it's not super little, but it's not real big. And I got this at an estate sale for free, and I took a best offer of $25. Silpata. I love selling Silpata. I got these at a garage sale for $10. They are called the Silver Swan Dive earrings. And I used Google Lens, and you can find a code for these. And I always put that in my title. So this one was W2132, and I took a best offer of $76 on these. This is a Sarah Coventry Love Story Green double heart adjustable ring. And these come in, I think I have one listed that's in purple. They come in other colors. And I got this in a bulk lot, and I sold it for $44.99. This is a Uno D50 Journey bracelet. My husband brought this home to me, and he's like, I think this is a good one. And I got it, and I'm like, well, it's stretched out. So I was like, well, it's a good one, but it needs restrung. So I just put that in the title, you guys, and I took a best offer of $30 on this. So that's pretty cool. The next item is this Fisher-Price Little People Going Blue camping tent, and it's from 2015. And I feel like I got this either at a garage sale, but I'm thinking the Goodwill bins. So probably $1 or so in this. Sold it for $10.71. Crown Trifari. My husband brought this one home to me as well. I'm always telling him, if you find brooches that are nice, bring them home. And he did. Crown Trifari brooch, forget-me-not flowers. And I think this has matching earrings to go with it. So be on the lookout for the earrings, the clip-on earrings as well. Sold this on best offer for $119. So I don't know if you guys noticed. There is Trifari, and then there is Crown Trifari. If it has a crown, it is Crown. And most of you probably already know that. But just in case you don't, that's a little tip of information for you. And all of these items were cross-posted to Poshmark, Mercari, and Whatnot Buy It Now, and they sold faster on eBay. So I am a firm believer in getting your items on multiple platforms, because more eyes, more sales. I use List Perfectly, and I do have a referral link down below where you can get 30% off your first month with coupon referral code bolobuddies in the link below. And I have tutorials that show you how to use it, but you can now cross post to the Whatnot Buy It Now. And as you've seen in some of my What Sold videos, I have shared with you things that are selling in my Whatnot Buy It Now. And these things are selling faster in the Whatnot Buy It Now than the other platforms. So, something you may want to consider. And I do have a seller's referral link for Whatnot. And if you've never been on Whatnot before, there's a buyer's link. Use that first, and you can get $15 to shop. And as you've seen in my other videos, I have been buying a lot on Whatnot and flipping it for a profit on the platforms. It's definitely a great place to source. So if you guys have any questions, let me know, and check out those things that I talked about. There's tutorials on how to sell on Whatnot. All that stuff is down in the description of the video. So check it out. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.